Hey guys, it's Tony W. I tried out this portable door lock because it's pretty awesome. It's good for hotels, dorm rooms, or anywhere that your door can't really lock by itself. My door lock actually is having some issues right now, so I decided to get this thing. This is a portable door lock. It goes into where that, I guess that door slider thing is. So it goes into it. It comes with two different sizes for it, so that it can just fit into various door sliders, and it wedges itself against the door and the thing, so it actually holds your door closed while you have this thing on there. It fits between the gap between the door and that door. I don't know what that is. It's a shield or whatever it's called, but it just locks in like that, does the wedge like the little thing, and locks down. And with that, you can't open the door. See, it just basically pulls against the door and the door frame. So, and to release it, you basically just pull up on that wedge again, so you can release it just like how you set it up before. Very, very simple device, very, very useful, especially if you don't want someone to just, if your lock is broken, it will be very, very useful. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this video was helpful to you. This thing works and it's pretty awesome, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.